Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone 15 in two different ways. So let's get started. The first method we're going to use are the buttons. So you're going to locate the volume up and the volume down button. We're going to press and release the volume up, and then followed by press and release the volume down, and then come over to the right hand side, hold on to this big side button until the screen goes black. So we're going to do volume up, volume down, press and release quickly, and then hold on to the side button. And here we're going to hold on to the side button. Now do not slide to power off like it says on the screen. Just wait for the Apple logo to appear after the screen goes black before you let go of that side button. And at that time you can let go of that side button, and this is going to restart your iPhone using the buttons. Again, make sure you press and release quickly the volume up, followed by quickly release the volume down before holding on to the side button. And if it doesn't work the first time, go ahead and try it again, or you might have to try it a few times to get the hang of it. Now, another thing you can do is if you have Siri enabled, you can actually get Siri to restart your iPhone. All you're going to do is say, "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone."
Just to confirm, you want to restart this device?
Yes. And with your voice command telling Siri to restart your iPhone, it's going to ask you to confirm, and you say yes, and it will also be able to restart your iPhone without having to use the buttons themselves. If for some reason the buttons aren't working, you want to try this method. And these methods are completely safe. All it's doing is shutting down the phone software and reloading the code. None of your personal data like photos, videos, apps will be deleted. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.